There you go. Today I'm going to unbox the Canon EOS R8 with the kit lens. Um, let's see what's inside. So as usual, you get the normal stuff, the instruction booklet. I'm not sure why they still include this here because you can download this online easily these days. The strap that I never really use, and you have the small little battery, the battery charger. It's nice that it include a charger because there are a lot of company do not include the charger. So let's take this out and get rid of the box for the time being. Right, let's look at the kit lens first. This is the RF 24 to 50 millimeter f 4.5 by 6.3. It's quite a slow lens, but is nice and lightweight. Looks quite reasonably well built. It has a metal mount, I think. No, it's a plastic mount, unfortunately. Let's move on to the camera itself, which is the main thing you want to look at today. Right, there you go. Looks very nice, very light, and quite well built. And the grip is very comfortable. Actually, I quite like it because it does look very nice and it's nice to hold. So there you go. Let's put everything together. This is all you get that come with within the box in the kit lens version.